In this video, we will be discussing a sales copy tip that breaks a golden rule. If you've ever taken a course in writing sales copy, you know that you never, ever revealed price until you first justified the price. You've got to build value, make the prospect want your product, and drive them into a frenzy of desire. Then you've got to show that your product is worth a lot, and I mean a lot. Then and only then can you finally reveal the price. At least, that's the rule. But rules are made to be broken, and there are two times when you can break this one. The first is when your price is your selling point. Your prospect already knows they like jewelry, and they've already seen a picture of the gorgeous sapphire necklace you're offering. Hit them with the price up front. Just $29 for this genuine 3-carat sapphire necklace, the exact replica of the priceless necklace that Her Royal Highness the Princess of Topazasha wore at her royal wedding. The second is when your price is crazy high. This is a one-time invitation to get a seat at the table with 8-figure online marketers for just $100,000. We are accepting only 3 people, and when your name came up at our last meeting, I knew you were the candidate we wanted to invite to apply for membership. Whoa, you're probably wondering why you would tell them up front that the price is $100,000, right? Imagine you receive that letter, and right up front, they're telling you that they're inviting you to apply for one of 3 seats, and it's going to cost you $100,000. Even if you don't have $100,000, odds are you're going to keep reading because this is a glimpse into a world you only dream of. Plus, you can admit it, you're flattered. And if you genuinely are a candidate for the $100,000 mastermind group, you're going to realize this is something unique and highly valuable immediately. Why else would it cost so much? That's why you'll keep reading to see what it's all about. Remember, the 2 times you can reveal your price right up front at the beginning of your sales letter or video is when the price is super low or when it's super high. But that's another rule. I think I'm going to start revealing prices up front as a test, compare it to the standard method of establishing value first, and see which one converts better than the other. I know that I'm tired of sitting through 30-minute sales videos to find out what they're selling and how much it is. I'm busy, you're busy, and your customers are busy. Maybe this is something worth testing to see what happens. What do you think? Am I off my rocker? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and click the bell icon to notify you about our next video. See you real soon. Visit powerleadsystem.org.